than 15 million Aussies are set to take a hit to their hip pocket, with private health insurance set to rise. From April 1, premiums will jump by an average of 4.41%, the biggest hike in almost a decade.
And the four biggest providers are going even higher, with NIB leading the pack at 5.47%. So what can you do right now to save? And is private cover still worth it? Our great friend David Koch is here, Economic Director for Compare the Market. Simples. Great to have you with us, Kochie. Just take us through. This is a massive increase. Obviously, this was approved by the federal government, first off, that 4.1%, but some of them are taking it higher.
Yeah, that's the real myth. A lot of people think, why do I have to check my private health insurance? Excuse me, because they're all going up the same amount. They're not. The big four, they're going up 5.5%. I think the biggest increase is almost 6%, but there are some only going up 1.9%. So when the statement comes through from your private health insurance fund with the increase, just look at it closely to make sure you're getting a good deal.
Why are they going up different amounts?
It depends on the demographic of their customers, how many claims have been made, their risk profile, the whole thing. So for basic hospital cover, it's going up about $116, the premium. For hospital and extras, about $160. So, look, it pays to really shop around and double check and sort of use this as an opportunity to do an audit on your health insurance coverage. You know, is it right for you or not? Have you got the right one?
You need more than an abacus, though, because it's not just about... Well, because if you have kids that are getting close to that 30 threshold, when you start paying penalty rates for hospital cover with private health, that starts ticking over.
As though you're speaking almost from experience.
well, we're getting to that stage, and Nat and I have spoken about this because we've got kids that are getting to those ages where they need to start taking it out. Otherwise, they'll get a 2% loading on top. But then also, too, once your salary reaches a certain threshold, you're paying more for Medicare. So what is the balance?
Okay, the balance is very individual, and it's up to you. As you say, if you're over a particular income threshold, you get the Medicare levy surcharge. So, you know, at least take out basic hospital cover. If you want to, if you're happy to sit on waiting lists for public hospital, if you don't have private health insurance, well, then that's another thing to consider as well. But look at your coverage. Go through all the extras you're paying and say, have I used any of them this year? Should I ditch some of those extras? Should I add new ones? For example, if you're about, I don't know, to have root canal therapy, you might need dental extras coverage, optics for glasses, and also gold cover. Like I thought, I'm getting old, I need gold cover, it's the very best. Liv had to sit me down and say, the only difference between gold and silver plus is obstetrics. Now, we're a bit past that at the moment.
So, can you pass it on to your kids?
We can say. Other things, if your cash flow provides it, pay your annual premium before April 1. You lock in this year's rather than next year's.
Tricky.
So little things like that you can do to keep up. But the big thing is look at extras, and most of the private health insurance funds will start offering like special deals in the next couple of weeks. Take advantage of them. And if you switch from one level of cover to another level of cover, the same cover, you don't need to reset waiting lists.
With a different company?
Yeah. A lot of people say, if I switch providers, I'll have to reset a waiting list.
Right.
No, a waiting period.
Okay.
But it's got to be the same or lower cover. If you go up in cover, you may have to. But
if you've proven it at one, you shouldn't have to wait at another.
Exactly. So
thanks for coming in. Always good to see you.